In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tamil font in Canva. If you design for Tamil content and want your text to look exactly the way you envisioned, uploading a custom Tamil font in Canva is the way to go. Before we begin, make sure you have the font file saved on your computer in a common format like TTF or OTF, and that you have the legal right to use it. Also note that font uploads are available on plans that support custom fonts. Open your Canva design and select any text box so the text tools are active. You'll see the current font name at the top of the editor. Click that font name to open the full font picker. This is the central place where you search for fonts, preview them, and manage any that you've added yourself. With the font menu open, look for the option that says Upload a font. Click it. Canva will prompt you to choose your font file from your computer, and you may see a confirmation asking you to verify you have the rights to use that font. Approve the prompt, then wait a moment while Canva processes the upload. Once the upload finishes, the font will appear in your list, often under an uploaded or brand section, and you can also find it quickly by typing its name into the font search bar. Select your newly added Tamil font, and your highlighted text will update instantly to reflect the new style. If your Tamil characters don't look right, try a different Tamil font that fully supports the script. Some fonts don't include all the glyphs or advanced shaping needed for ligatures. It can also help to retype the text after switching your keyboard input to Tamil to ensure proper rendering. Avoid extreme letter spacing or all caps toggles, as those can distort complex scripts. Keep your font files organized with clear names so you can find them later. And consider uploading regular, bold, and italic variants if your type family provides them. That way, your headings, subheads, and body text stay consistent. If you collaborate with a team, uploading the font ensures everyone working in the design can use the same typeface. And that's it. Click the current font to open the font menu, then click Upload a font to bring your Tamil typeface into Canva. From there, apply it to your text and fine-tune the size, color, and spacing like you normally would. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating beautifully accurate Tamil designs in Canva.